KuCoin is thrilled to announce the world premiere listing of Berachain, BERA, on its spot trading platform. Deposits are now open on the BERA mainnet. Trading begins at UTC on February for the BERA USDT pair. Withdrawals open at 10 UTC on February 7, 2025. Plus, BERA USDT will be available for KuCoin trading bots when spot trading launches. So, what is Berachain BERA? Berachain is a high-performance, EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain that introduces a revolutionary proof-of-liquidity poll consensus mechanism. This means higher efficiency, stronger security, and deeper liquidity, all at the network level. Built on BeaconKit, an EVM-focused consensus framework, Berachain offers scalability and a robust environment for decentralized applications. Want to learn more? Visit Berachain.com, follow Berachain on X, or join their Discord community. A quick reminder: crypto investments carry risks, just like venture capital. The market is open 24/7, and prices can be highly volatile. Always conduct your own research before making investment decisions. KuCoin strives to screen all tokens carefully, but investment risks remain. KuCoin is not responsible for gains or losses. That's it for today. Subscribe to INEHub for more updates on the latest crypto listings, reviews, and trading insights. Like, share, and comment below. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Stay tuned to KuCoin for more exciting opportunities to discover the next crypto gem.